Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the information. Taylor spent $60 at an amusement park for admission and rides. If he paid $10 for admission and rides cost $3 each, what is the maximum number of rides that he went on? According to the given information, Taylor spent $60 for both admission and rides, in which he spent $10 for admission alone, and some of the remaining money is spent for rides, where the cost of each ride is $3, and we have to find the maximum number of rides. Since we have to find the maximum number of rides, first we have to assign a variable which represents the number of rides. Let me do it. Let x be the number of rides. Let me write the stuff over here. Number of rides. Okay, so he spent $10 for admission, and the cost of each ride is $3, and the number of rides is given by the variable x. If each ride costs $3, then what is the total cost for x number of rides? For that, we have to multiply the cost of one ride, that is 3, by the number of rides x, then I'm getting 3x. So this is the total cost for x number of rides. So now we are adding the money spent for admission, the money spent for x number of rides. When we add them, we get the total expense. So it cannot exceed 60, because according to the information that Taylor spent $60, so the total money is spent for admission and rides cannot exceed 60. It can be equal to 60 or it has to be less than 60. Okay, our aim is to find the maximum value of x, that is the maximum number of rides. So that is we have to solve for x in this inequality. For that, I have to subtract 10 from both sides, because I want to isolate this variable x. Let me subtract 10 from both sides. When I do so, this positive 10, negative 10 will cancel out. I'm getting 3x less than or equal to. So when I subtract 10 from 60, I am getting 50. Now to solve for x, I have to divide both sides by 3. When I do so, this 3 will cancel out. I am getting x on the left side. On the right side, we have 50 over 3. When I divide 50 by 3, I am getting 16.666. It keeps going. So now I got the maximum value of x, that is 16.666. Because x can be equal to this value or x has to be less than this value. So this is a maximum value of x. But x represents the number of rides. Number of rides can never be a decimal. Always it has to be an integer. So now we have to find the integer value, and also it has to be maximum for x. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plot this value on the real number line, that is 16.666. And on the right side, we'll have the integer 17. On the left side, we'll have 16, 15, and we can write many integer values on the left side. So according to the condition we have over here, that is x has to be less than or equal to 16.666. Let's take a filter circle over here, and we have to draw a line to the left of this one, because this one represents x less than or equal to 16.666. Okay, now satisfying the condition over here, we have to get an integer value for x, and also it has to be maximum. So we can get many integer values less than this value 16.666, but it has to be maximum. So clearly 16 is the maximum integer value we can get for x. That is the maximum number of rides that Taylor went on is 16. We find 16 in answer choice A. So the correct answer choice for this question is A, 16.